Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. It has 130,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a striking red interior, it runs on gasoline and delivers a smooth, reliable ride. The truck is dependable enough to be used as a daily driver, though it does sit a bit low, which may take some getting used to. The current owner has invested a great deal into maintaining and updating the vehicle, with many parts already replaced. It comes with air conditioning, power windows, a fully functional gauge cluster, and dual fuel tanks with new fuel lines, along with several other fresh components. While the truck is in strong running condition, there are two known drawbacks: a transmission leak likely from the pan or rear main seal, and some rust in the common areas for its age. Despite these minor issues, the Silverado remains a solid classic, offering character and reliability with plenty of recent improvements. Number 2. 1973 Dodge D100, price $8,500. This truck comes with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in black both inside and out. It features a 1973 frame paired with a 59 step-side bed and is powered by a 360 engine that has been bored .30 over to high-performance specifications, equipped with a Summit cam and lifters. The truck is fitted with an overdrive manual gearbox, along with a new clutch and pressure plate that have seen only about 500 miles of use. At the rear, it carries an 8 3/4 differential with 3.55 open gears. While the paint is not perfect, the truck still presents well and delivers plenty of character for a classic stepside pickup. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It has 150,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a reliable 350 engine, and a 350 transmission. The truck has been converted into a short bed, giving it a sportier stance and desirable look. Its exterior wears a green finish with a naturally aged, faded patina that has been clear-coated to preserve its character, while the interior is finished in black for a classic contrast. Structurally, the truck is very solid underneath, showing the kind of strength that makes these C10s such dependable classics. It runs and drives well, offering the confidence to take it anywhere without worry. With its combination of originality, solid condition, and short bed conversion, this C10 makes a great option for anyone looking for a classic Chevy truck that blends character, reliability, and everyday drivability. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. Shows 95,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and retains its timeless square body appeal. Under the hood, it has been updated with a new HEI distributor, new plug wires, and a new blower motor. The truck has been lowered 3 inches in the front with spindles and 4 inches in the rear using shackles and hangers, giving it a clean, aggressive stance. A sliding rear window adds to its practicality, while the factory air conditioning system is still in place and is believed to only need a recharge to be fully functional. On the road, it runs and drives well, though the windshield does have a crack. Overall, this C10 offers both classic style and solid mechanical updates, making it a great driver with plenty of potential. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, powered by a 6.2L diesel engine and paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 transmission. It runs and drives great, starting on the first try with plenty of strong diesel power. Recent work has been completed, including new glow plugs with a relay and controller, a new fuel sending unit, fuel pump, and filters, as well as a new air filter and a newer fuel tank, ensuring reliable performance. The truck is in honest condition, showing its age with rusted through cab corners and some light rust on the rear fenders, but the glass remains perfect with no chips or cracks. Overall, it makes a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck, whether for cruising, working, or restoring. Number 6. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 124,000 miles on the odometer. It features a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, giving it that traditional driving feel. The truck is finished in blue both inside and out, making for a consistent and timeless appearance. Currently, it is being offered at $8,500 with custom 26-inch rims, or $6,000 with its original stock wheels for those who prefer a factory look. Despite showing a little smoke upon startup, the truck runs strong, shifts smoothly, and drives reliably once on the road. Its shortbox body style adds to its appeal, offering both practicality and a sportier profile. This Chevrolet 1500 is not only a dependable driver but also a great candidate for anyone looking for a project truck to restore, customize, or simply enjoy as it is. Number 7. 1989 Dodge D150, price $4,500, with just 104,000 original miles on the odometer. Finished in white with a gray interior, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a clean title with a verified accident-free Carfax history and is currently registered through August of 2025. Originally purchased by its second owners in 1994, this Dodge has been maintained carefully throughout its life. It passes smog without issue, runs strong, shifts smoothly, and shows no signs of leaks or mechanical problems. A custom camper top, installed by a company in Long Beach, California, is included and can be removed if desired. While it remains in very good condition, it could benefit from new front brake pads due to some squeaking, and there are a few spots of paint chipping consistent with age. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet C30, price $8,000, shows 127,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission, making it a strong and dependable workhorse from its era. It wears a timeless beige exterior with a contrasting blue interior, giving it that classic early 80s Chevy truck look. Power comes from the durable 6.2L Detroit diesel engine, known for its longevity and reliability. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot bed that provides plenty of space for hauling, along with heavy-duty 8-lug wheels designed to handle demanding loads. It also features dual fuel tanks for extended driving range, making it practical for both work and long-distance travel. A full-size spare tire is included, adding extra peace of mind. Number 9. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800. It has traveled 224,500 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives great, remaining 100% rust-free, and has been very well cared for. It is a two-owner vehicle that originally came from Alabama and has only been in Indiana for about a year. Previously owned by an older gentleman, it was always parked during the winter months to avoid harsh weather conditions. While the body has a few small dents, the paint is in good overall condition and could be brought to near perfection with a clay bar treatment. Overall, this is a very nice truck with a lot of life left in it, ready for its next owner. Number 10. 1979 GMC 1500, price $5,000, all original example that has been well cared for over the years. Showing 120,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by the dependable 350 small block Chevy, recently given a full tune-up for smooth and reliable performance. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this truck retains its classic look, while the factory AC adds comfort for everyday driving. It has received important updates, including new brakes and lines, along with new tires mounted on rally wheels. The body remains in great shape, with all glass in excellent condition.